Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check Betterment results. First, navigate to the Betterment website. You'll find the Login button prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner. Enter your registered username and password carefully into the designated fields. This ensures secure access to your personal investment dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be ready to view your account's performance and details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your main account dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate the section dedicated to your investment performance. This is often labeled Performance, Activity, or Returns. Clicking on this tab will take you to a detailed overview of how your investments are doing, showing key metrics and historical data. On the Performance page, you'll see various metrics. Pay attention to your overall portfolio return, which shows your total growth. You can also view the performance of individual goals you've set up, like retirement or a down payment. Betterment typically provides options to view results over different time periods, such as 1 month, 1 year, or since inception. This helps you track progress effectively. For a more in-depth look, Betterment offers detailed reporting features. You can often customize the date range to analyze specific periods. Look for options to download statements, which provide comprehensive transaction histories and tax documents like Form 1099. These reports are valuable for understanding your investment activity and for tax preparation purposes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.